A system of equations is a collection of two or more equations where each of them contain at least one variable. A solution to the system of equations is an ordered pair that satisfies all of the equations in the system. Determine whether the ordered pair 5, -3 is a solution to the system. This is a system of equations because it does have at least two equations, and each of these equations have at least one variable. To determine if the point 5, -3 is a solution to the system, we plug 5, -3 into each of the equations to see if it's an ordered pair solution to both. It's a solution to the system if it's an ordered pair solution to both equations. So we'll check it into both equations, but let's start with the first one, 2x minus y is equal to 13. And in order to determine whether or not the ordered pair is a solution to this equation, we plug 5 in for x and -3 in for the y variables. So we'll recopy the equation down, leaving holes for those variables, and we'll plug 5 in for x and -3 in for y. 2 times 5 is 10, minus -3 is plus 3, and we can see that this ordered pair is going to be a solution to the first equation. But remember, to be a solution to the system, it has to be a solution in both equations. So we do this again for the second equation, leaving holes for the x and the y variables. And then we plug 5 in for x and -3 in for y, and then evaluate. So we have -20 plus 27, and that is equal to 7. So our ordered pair is an ordered pair solution to the second equation, and therefore we'll say that the ordered pair 5, -3 is a solution to the system.